Let's learn character Chuan. Chuan evolves from a meandering river represented by 3 curved lines. Chuan means river. Chuan also refers to a large stretch of flat land that a river irrigates. When I'm lying down, I'm San. When I'm standing up, I'm Chuan. San 3. Chuan River. Chuan means river, stream. Chuan means plain, flat land. Chuan, short for Sichuan province. Sichuan province is in southwest China. We are pandas. We live in Sichuan province. Pandas are the least racist animals. We are black, white, and Asian. Sichuan, Chuan. Let's learn character Yu. Yu evolves from the shape of a hand. Yu means again. Yu could be imagined as the shape in this picture. President Ford couldn't fart and chew gum at the same time. 又放屁，又嚼口香糖。又 indicating the repetition or continuation of an action, again repeatedly. 又 indicating the coexistence of more than one situation or property, both and. Son says, Mom, I just farted. Mom says, Oh, are you okay? The son says, It's like when you sneeze, you spit out your saliva. Mom says, You shit in your pants again? Again, you. Let's learn character Shan. Shan means mountain. Shan resembles a mountain range consisting of 3 peaks. Characters with Shan as a component most have to do with mountains. It isn't the mountains ahead to climb that wear you out. It's the pebble in your shoe. Mountain, Shan. Shan means hill, mountain. Shan means anything resembling a mountain. Bingshan, iceberg. A group of friends are on the top of a mountain. A girl shouts, Motherland, my mother. A guy who has a crush on her shouts, Motherland, my mother-in-law. Mountain, Shan. Let's learn character Mao. Mao could be seen as evolving from the feather. Mao means feather, hair. Characters with Mao as a component most have to do with hair. Which side of the bird has the most feathers? The outside. Feathers. 羽毛. Mao means hair, down, feather. 鸡毛, chicken feather. Some birds aren't meant to be caged. That's all. Their feathers are just too bright. Feather, 羽毛. Let's learn character Zi. Zi evolves from a baby with a big head, waving its arms. Zi means son. Characters with Zi as a component most have to do with baby. Hai, child. Sun, grandchild. Yun, to be pregnant. Zi could be imagined as the shape of this child. Father says, You are not young. It's time for you to find a wife. Son says, But whose wife should I try to find? Son, 儿子. Zi means son, 父子, father and son. Zi means person, 男子, male person. 子 means ancient title of respect for a learned or virtuous man. 孔子, Confucius. 子 means seed. Don't think of yourself as an ugly person. Think of yourself as a beautiful monkey. Monkey, 猴子